And again, folks, all these commands you're gonna have them. Okay. Now I'm gonna go back to those ports that are doing trunks, right? This is G1 and G2. Interface range, range G1 to 2. I'm gonna type switch port trunk is question mark. Allow question mark. VLAN question mark. Do you see the word that says add? I think I said I had add. So that's how you add VLANs. Because there's a situation where they say somebody, hey, there's this VLAN that doesn't exist on this switch. That's why they're not talking. Can you go add that VLAN? Make sure that it exists on the trunk. And somebody's going to go over there and type know this and take off all the trunk, the VLANs that are existing on the trunk, and that's going to bring the network down before it's going to add it back. But when you take it off, that means you're off. So how are you going to go in there? So you have to manually take a laptop. It's hustle. So this thing is showing is very important. I'm happy that it happened, so it can give us some additional troubleshooting to do right now. Okay, so that's how you add. So you're gonna switch port, trunk, allow, VLAN, add, and I'm just gonna highlight that same command and do it on the other side. You have to do it on both sides. We're gonna go to and watch how that VLAN 10 is gonna come up. Let me type. Let me go here. Save my work first. Type show IP interface brief. You see how VLAN 1 is still down. I'm sorry, VLAN 10 says VI is still down. Watch what happens as soon as we activate it on this side. So interface range G11-2. I'm just going to paste the command. Switch port trunk allow VLAN add 10. Let's wait. 1, you want to count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come on, guys. Why are you slow? Show IP interface brief. Boom. That is up. Oh, that is up. Did you see that? I was supposed to be counting on the other side. So do you see how our interface VLAN 10 just came up? Show IP interface brief. And ladies and gentlemen, our VLAN interface VLAN 10 is up. It wasn't up before because we were not allowing VLAN 10 on the trunk. So it didn't know where to go. You see how when we talk about breaking broadcast domain, now because VLAN 10 was not part of it, there's no broadcast domain that was created for VLAN 10. So we didn't know where to go, and it can just create confusion because it's not allowed. So we had to create its own broadcast domain. That's what we mean by breaking broadcast domain. So now the core switch is part of the same broadcast domain as the switch in first floor, because the switch in first floor only has one SVI, and that SVI is from the VLAN 10. So now they can communicate. Before they were not, because why? We're not allowing the VLAN 10 allowing VLAN 10. See? Now we're allowing VLAN 10. Want to do the last thing? Want to ping? Yeah, you can go ahead and ping. What are we pinging? Let's ping the SVI on the other side, which is what? 20.20.1. I can count 1, 2. See, I didn't have to count up to 2. It's pinging. There you go, 100%. So now the core switch can talk to that other switch on the first floor. And that's how you configure every other switch. Let me save our work because we're done. That's how you configure every other switch. Every other switch. I'm just going to show you the configuration here. Show run. You see how to configure C? So we have a default gateway command. We have a SVI setup. We have a trunks, point to point, description, everything is there. Both of them for redundancy. So that way one goes down, the other one is up. And we'll have a port security setup. on one of the port that's connected to Mr. Daniel. And ladies and gentlemen, just as usual, we have come to the end of our objectives for today. We added one more. I know there's a lot, but that's why you need to watch the videos over and over again. Buy one of the videos, watch it, practice, move on to the next. Become an expert and move on to the next. As soon as you have captured what I'm showing you, going forward, trust me, it's going to be easy. Networking is not a difficult